Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting areas of artificial intelligence, deep learning, often abbreviated as DL. You've probably heard about it in connection with self-driving cars, AI art, or voice assistants. But what is it really, and why is it such a big deal? Let's break it down. At its core, deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses structures called neural networks to learn from large amounts of data. These neural networks are inspired by the human brain, with layers of interconnected neurons that process information, identify patterns, and make decisions. What makes deep learning different from traditional machine learning is its ability to automatically extract features from raw data. In traditional ML, you often have to manually select important features from the data before training a model. Deep learning, on the other hand, can learn these features on its own, which makes it extremely powerful for complex tasks like image recognition, natural language understanding, and speech processing. Let's look at some examples. When you use a voice assistant like Alexa or Siri, deep learning algorithms help the system understand your speech and respond accurately. When Facebook automatically tags friends in photos, deep learning is analyzing images to detect faces. Self-driving cars use deep learning to recognize pedestrians, traffic signs, and other vehicles in real time. Even AI-generated art and text, like what you see in Midjourney or ChatGPT, rely heavily on deep learning models. Deep learning models usually consist of multiple layers, often called deep neural networks. These layers process information in stages, with each layer extracting higher-level features from the data. For example, in image recognition, the first layer might detect edges, the next layer shapes, then textures, and eventually the final layer recognizes objects like cars, cats, or trees. Training deep learning models requires large amounts of data and powerful computing resources. That's why advancements in GPUs, TPUs, and cloud computing have been critical to the recent boom in deep learning applications. More data and better hardware mean models can learn more accurately and perform tasks that were previously impossible. The benefits of deep learning are enormous. It can handle unstructured data like images, videos, and text. It can achieve high accuracy in tasks like speech recognition and natural language understanding. And it's scalable, allowing businesses to deploy models in real-time applications that impact millions of users. However, deep learning also comes with challenges. Training models is computationally expensive and time-consuming. Models can behave like black boxes, making it hard to understand why they make certain predictions. And, like all AI systems, they can inherit biases from the data they are trained on. That's why researchers are working on areas like explainable AI and responsible AI to make deep learning more transparent and ethical. From a career perspective, deep learning is a highly valuable skill. Roles like deep learning engineer, AI researcher, computer vision specialist, and NLP engineer are in high demand. With the rise of AI applications across industries, and from healthcare to finance, robotics to entertainment, understanding deep learning opens up exciting opportunities. So, to sum it up, deep learning is a powerful branch of machine learning that uses neural networks to learn from large amounts of data. It enables machines to understand complex patterns in images, text, and speech, powering many of the most advanced AI applications we see today. That's it for today's explainer on deep learning.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates, stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learneticguide.net.